Hi, thank you for joining me. This is Vivi Stackwell, and this is your angel card reading for the week of August 15th through the 21st. As you can see, this week we are working with the Ascended Masters Oracle cards. Let me make sure that you could see that. These are beautiful cards by Doreen Virtue, and I am thrilled that we are working with the Ascended Masters. So let's see what the Ascended Masters have in store for us this week coming up. So I shuffle the cards and I place 3 cards. So let's take a look to see what the first card is saying. And here we have, I love this card, Peace Offerings. We have White Buffalo, Calf Woman, and let me see if you could see it well, and you do. So I love this card because this card is all about peace offering. It's about bringing resolutions to a conflict or perhaps a misunderstanding. This will benefit those around you or a situation that you may be involved with. And the important thing here is to be open to accept another person's apology, and also to be open to forgiveness as well. As we have here, the beautiful White Buffalo Calf Woman, she is the connection between heaven and earth. She builds a bridge between the two of them. And as you know, the story is that she appeared to the Lakota people with a special pipe, bringing an offering that would amplify the power of their prayers, and also to bridge a connection again between heaven and earth. So as we begin the week, let's stay open to bringing that peace that is being offered by her, and to bring resolution to any situation that we've been dealing with. So let me put this card down and let's see what the middle of the week, Wednesday and Thursday, is bringing to us. And okay, so here we have Elmoira saying it's time to clear your energy field. The thing with Elmoira, Elmoira was a member of the royal family of Kashmir in the 1800s. And we can call on to him whenever we need to release any energies that we have that have gotten into us, and this may be toxic people with toxic energy, and we just need to ask that our energy field be clear. We can ask him, or we can also ask Archangel Michael, if that's what you normally call, to clear any cords, clear any hooks, clear anything that may be bringing your energy down. And as we are done with clearing, and we can do this together right now, so take a deep breath, and let's just call in Elmoira, and let's call Archangel Michael, and let's ask them both to clear our energy field from any hooks, from any intrusions. And we're going to ask that a shield be placed on us so that there will be no further intrusions. Okay, so let's be conscious and keep ourselves from any harsh environments. We need to honor our sensitivity, and let's just keep that in mind as we go through the middle of the week if the energies get to be a little bit intense. So as we go into the weekend, let's see what the cards are bringing. And this is beautiful. We have Thoth saying this is the Egyptian god of writing, and it's a reminder that to keep a journal, or to write an article, or there's a project that you've been thinking about and you really haven't had the time to sit down. Take your time and sit down and just write. Just don't mind your grammar, don't mind your spelling, just let it go, let it flow. Let writing just come through you, and just don't censor anything, just let it all come through you. Later you're going to have time to look over and to clean it up, and check your grammar, spelling, etc. So this is a very nice week with the assistance of the Ascended Masters. So we're beginning with peace offering in the middle of the week. Remember to clear cords, to clear any intrusion by calling either El Moira or Archangel Michael. And at the end of the week, the weekend, remember that it's time to write. Write your thoughts, write for pleasure, or write if there is something that a project you've been working and you've been kind of procrastinating, it's time to get it done. So thank you so much. If this reading has resonated with you, please press the like button, and I wish you many blessings. And if you would like to connect with me, you can definitely go to Angel Messages and Guidance by Vivi. Find me here in YouTube, or also find me in Facebook. So you can join also the beautiful Northern Valley Circle of Light, and where you can find like-minded friends. So thank you and have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.